Do you want to diagnose your own car problems without costly shop visits? Today I will break down the best OBD2 scan tools you can buy in 2026, from budget beginners to pro-level mechanics. Whether you're checking for check engine light or doing full system diagnostics, stick around and I'll show you exactly which tool does what. OBD2 stands for Onboard Diagnostics 2. It's a port under your dash where diagnostic tools connect to read trouble codes, clear check engine lights, and show live data like RPM, temp, fuel trims, and more. Some tools only read engine codes, while others go deeper into ABS, SRS, and full system diagnostics. The right tool for you depends on experience level and budget. Let's look OBD2 scanners, which are great for beginners and basic diagnostics. First up, the classic Ansel AD310. It is a simple, rugged, and compatible with most OBD2 vehicles made since 1996. It reads and clears codes, shows basic live data, and has an easy-to-read screen, perfect if you're just starting out. Second, for a step up, the Foxwell NT301 or Motopower give live sensor data and more detailed diagnostics without breaking the bank. Great if you want a bit more insight into engine performance. Third, we have the BlueDriver Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, which pairs with a smartphone app, perfect if you prefer wireless diagnostics and repair reports with code definitions. It's affordable, easy to use, and ideal for the tech-savvy DIY mechanic. Another solid Bluetooth option is the Stole A30M. Plug it in, link with your phone or tablet, and view real-time data, keeping your garage space minimal while still getting powerful diagnostics. Let's look at the mid-range tools for serious mechanics with advanced diagnostics. If you want more than basic engine data, like ABS checks, oil reset functions, and emissions readiness, the Innova 5210 and 5610 offer balanced features. Great for home mechanics who want deeper insight without professional tool pricing. There is also the Launch CRP129X Elite, brings 8 reset functions like oil service, EPB, SAS, TPMS reset, battery maintenance, even injector coating, perfect if you're doing frequent maintenance and want shop-level function at a best pricing quality. We have another section of pro-level tools for advanced diagnostics and deeper systems. Stepping into the prosumer space, Automaxicom 808 Malawian Quachas delivers full system scans, ABS/SRS/transmission resets, live data graphs on a touchscreen, excellent for DIY enthusiasts who want near-professional capabilities. Let's look at how to choose the right tool. 1. For low-budget scanners for basic code readers like the check engine lights. 2. Bluetooth tools scanners for wireless. Offers convenience and repair guidance. 3. Mid-range OBD2 scanner for more diagnostics and systems data. Lastly, we have the pro-level OBD2 scanners for advanced resets and bidirectional data systems tests. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DIY mechanic gear guides. Comment below with the car you're working on, and I'll recommend the best scanner for your ride.